Oh, smile. 1, 2, 3. Smile. Good. Right ka rin. Oh, right kayo. Dali. Right to Santa.
This is for your American
Canyon. C-A-N-Y-O-N.
Y
O-N.
O-N. First is the candy cane and now it's the O-N. So
JM. Put it in! Yay! Yay! N-I-A.
Oh, there's many Christmases on there.
Oh, here's the character. Halika na, pila kayo dito, Pepsi. Dali. Hi! Oh, here. Hi! Oh, here. Dali. Hello. Oh, dito kayo. Okay, good.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Alrighty, friends. Gentle husband, gentle husband.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Okay, go. Hi. Wow. Picture ka kayo doon. Go.
You're the best.
Oh, go there.
We have a few more friends that are going to say hi, friendly.
Go, Sophie. Sige, dali. Go, JM. Sige, dali. Picture ko kayo. Oh, yay. Diyan lang kayo, babe. Picture ko kayo. Okay.
Alrighty,
Yay.
friends.
Pila ka dito. Picture ko kayo. Picture.
Bye. Thank you for saying hi to Brindley. Alrighty, my next friend, gentle hugs and gentle high paws.
Ha? Sige, go door. Yung lagay muna doon. Dali. Sige na, dali. Okay, good. Okay. Yay. Ikaw rin. Sige, dali. Okay, good.
Wow.
Halika na. Shower na kayo. Naku, hindi niya kaya.
Maligo ka na, be.
Let's go. Please, ano sabi mo, Jay? Why don't we,
Why did we didn't stay at Great Old Fort for 47 days and we didn't get candy?
47 days? Jay, okay ba yun? Ikaw. Sophie! JJC.
Make sure you shake them so you know that they work, okay? And you're gonna put them through the little loops. You gotta make sure that they're twisted all the way. You're gonna put them on just like this. And then you're gonna get a popsicle stick and you're gonna twist it around. And you're just gonna keep on twisting and twisting and twisting and twisting and twisting until it's all done. And you got yourself this jingle.
Go dali. Gawin natin.
Oh, and make sure you bring them back, okay?
I don't know if we can do this.
Oh, we need to bring it back.
Like we just tasty.
Oh yeah, we can, first we're going home now.
Oh, okay.
Inside.
Because we're gonna use these later to make it snow.
Oh. Pero you can keep it
You
down.
can
Okay,
keep it. You
go.
don't have to bring it back. You're okay.
Ay, ano daw? One more instruction for this little
Yes.
boy. Oh, ayan. Ayan na instruction. Alam mo na ba, Beb?
You're gonna.
Alam mo na. Ayan, oh. Oh.
You're going to get cleaner. You're gonna get your 2 bells, and you gotta shake them to make sure that they work. Okay. And then look, you see these little loops right here?
Jem, ayun daw.
You're gonna put it on,
Oh.
I tried this.
just like this.
She said there's a present.
Go.
And you're gonna get your popsicle stick.
I already put out.
Perfect. And you're going to wrap it around.
I need help doing that.
That's okay, I can help you.
Can we do more than 2?
That's fine.
I don't see a loop here. I'm gonna go check out in the back.
Okay. Here, I'll start it.
Eh,
and then
babalik
you can
sana
continue.
mamaya. Sabi
Here.
ko, uwi na kami. Pwede daw i-keep.
And you just keep wrapping until it is all.
JM, gawa mo si JA. Adeo, thank you. Thank you.
Shake it.
Thank you. Yo, mas JJ wala pa.
Hi, Haley.
How do you remember my name?
Because it's hard to. It's hard to.
Oh, I need help.
I forgot the instructions.
Ah, you need help, Jay? Ha?
I forgot the instructions. I forgot the instructions. Why do you have so many of them? That early.
Just in case that
Ah, lalagyan mo naman yan. Ito. And then, i-roll mo lang siya paikot.
use it for
Wow. Okay, good job. Let's go. Jay, let's go.
JM, Daisy.
We're in the wall.
Wow. Wow. O, yan. Diyan ka. Oh. Jay. Jay, look ka that. Gusto daw niya sa wall. Thank you, Lord. Have a great 12th day. Kabo. Yay, have a great 12th day. Aray, tita, meron nangyari.
Okay lang?
Ayun na sila, Nessa girl. Ay, nakasakay na. Halika na. Aba, ang ganda ng damit ah. Tita Beng, oh. Yee-hee. Thank you, Lord.